Ladies and gentlemen, meet the coin that turns a pocket find into a headline. This is the Indian head cent. It was struck from 1859 to 1909. Its portrait is not a Native American. It is Liberty wearing a feathered war bonnet. The design replaced the bulky large cent and fit a modernizing nation. Minting changes and shifting metal policies across the late 1800s created scarcity in specific years. Collectors still chase those rare survivors. The single most famous date is 1877. That issue had very low usable circulation, and few high-grade examples survive. Demand for that date is intense. Because collectors prize condition, a well-preserved 1877 can reach astronomical prices. Auction records for top red gem examples approach $150,000. Other dates also matter. 1888 7 overdate varieties and certain proofs and errors command attention and high bids. Errors on unusual planchets can become headline sales. Condition drives value. The grading scale runs from heavily worn to mint state and then to red gem quality for copper coins. Each grade step multiplies collector interest. Professional certification reduces buyer uncertainty. A third-party holder converts buyer trust into higher realized prices at auction. Get serious pieces graded. If you find an Indian head cent tucked in a jar, that is the start of a story. Most will be modestly worth a few dollars to a few hundred. A rare specimen can be life-changing. Treat any candidate key date like fragile evidence. Photograph it. Keep it in a soft holder. Never clean or scrub a coin. Cleaning destroys grade and value. Presentation matters. Sharp photos. Clear provenance. A crisp certification report. These create competition among bidders and push final prices upward. Auction houses and specialist dealers are the routes to top dollar sales. Expect fees, authentication, and insured shipping. Plan for those costs when you estimate net proceeds. For sellers, timing and venue matter. A headline sale needs the right market, the right auction, and sometimes the right story attached to the piece. Be strategic. For buyers, patience wins. Build knowledge. Learn how to spot original surfaces and honest wear. Track registry sets and auction catalogs. Those signal collecting trends. Collectors value the series for history as much as scarcity. Each coin is a fragment of industrial America, of changing mint policy, and of everyday commerce. Use that story to sell interest. If you want to check a coin now, compare it to certified examples and auction photos. Note strike quality, rim integrity, and surface color. Those features separate common from exceptional. If you own a likely key date, document condition immediately and get a professional opinion before sending it to market. A pre-sale appraisal prevents surprises. Remember this: most Indian head cents are affordable and fun to collect. A few transform into major sales. The market decides value, but preparation multiplies results. So look closely at your pennies. Learn the dates and the grade language. Protect the ones that look special. One small copper disc can rewrite a collector's life.